If you were born in the 70s, grew up in the 70s, or even the 80s, it was a perfect time in life to be into trucks. All the iconic TV shows, movies, you had Convoy, you had BJ and the Bear, we had Smokey and the Bandit. And for me, growing up in the 70s, watching all those shows, I absolutely loved the Cabover truck. And most iconically, BJ and the Bear. My favorite color is red, and if you know what I'm talking about, BJ and the Bear, they had the K100 with a VIT raised roof, and it was the bomb. Like, to me, that was the truck. You know, the red with the black stripes and the white, like, it was just like, oh, that was my truck. That was the one I loved. Take a look at the K100 that I found. She's a little rough around the edges. Check it out. It's a K100. The ultimate K100 Cabover. It's been sitting here for a number of years. So it's got a tree growing up through the visor, and it's actually started to push the visor out. So that tells me we need to rescue this truck. And engine fan. It's got floodlight, fog lights, marker lights, headlights, trailer lights. This is cool and stuff. I'm thinking someone was doing some work to it, so.
What's that? Turn it over until it gets oil pressure.
Peterbilt Mike here, and you know what today is? It's Drive Your Cabover to Work Day. That's right, Kenny's going to work. Look at that. I got a plate hanger on him. I got my mirror lights working. I got my side lights working. We won't talk about the marker lights just yet, but it's gonna be light out soon. And he's purring like a kitten. No pun intended. He's cleared up. I'm not gonna lie, he smoked like a son of a gun when I fired him up. But it's cleared up now, so hopefully that means the STC injectors are working. But man, does it sing smoke when she's cold. Look at those taillights. Oh. But anyways, that's right. Kenny's going for its first road trip to school. I'm just being careful here because it's kind of icy and it's raining. So, you know, not best road conditions. Well, right now it's not bad, except for my driveway. The driveway's icy, but as long as this doesn't turn to freezing rain, because that would not be good. But Anyways, guys, let's take Kenny to work and see how much ribbon I can get taking a Kenny to Peterbilt. Whatever. It's cool. Can't put a price on cool. Well, actually you can. It's expensive. Look at that though. Yeah. Yeah. Well, I don't know if you can see me because it's dark. But you know what? Kenny's running. He's running pretty smooth. Look at this red light down there. You never notice things like that when it's in the shop, but anyways, we're gonna go to work and fingers crossed it all goes well. So anyways, let's do this. I got it in my parking spot. And guess what? Interesting fun fact, my marker lights just started working, so I know, now I got marker lights. Not that I ever had any doubt. And my tax started working too. And oh my God, Kenny's got some cojones. Like, he's almost hard to shift because when you get up above, you know, 1400, it's like, boom. So I think somebody may have turned him up once. But look at this. Here's my parking spot, Mike. And I got a truck in it. Look at that. I got a little bit close to Mel's pickup, but that's okay. But look, I fit in the lines. I absolutely love that. I mean, how many salesmen commute to work in a truck? I mean, really. I do. But this is really cool. But my jig still isn't working, so I'm hoping I didn't bugger something up there. So my jig's not working. My alternator's not working, which is not stellar. Charging, I'll have to whack it with a hammer. It's probably stuck from, well, just not being used. But look at that. I fit in the parking spot just about as good as a Ford half-ton extended cab. Yeah, we're both the same length. And Kenny still leans a bit to the left. So I'm gonna have to work on that. Yeah, gonna have to work on that. But you know what? At first, I'm not gonna lie, felt a little bit sketchy. Pulled a little bit to the right, but as it, you know, as I ran him and he warmed up, it kind of got better. You know, not pulling as much, which kind of makes sense, I guess, because everything's dry from sitting for 10 years or better. Well, 10 years anyways. So, so yeah, that cleared up. My tack started working. He's got an 18 speed, and you know, splitting gears, I don't know, splitting gears, you don't really need to right now. I started out in third, and he kind of takes off like a rocket. So I'm impressed. I think somebody fueled Kenny up. And you know what? People are probably going to get irritated with me because I'm going to be talking about my truck all day. But you know what? I just drove my truck to work, so how cool is that? Yeah. But anyways, guys, I'm in my office. I guess it's time to you know, do the day job, get to work, sell some more Peterbilt so I can buy some more truck parts. But anyways, guys, I'll see you at the end of the day. Where's my coffee? I need a coffee. Turn some lights on. There we go. Let's get the important stuff going. We need coffee, boys. We need coffee. Whoops. Don't do that. How about McCafe, Tim Hortons decaf. Don't want decaf. Tea. I'm thinking it's a McCafe morning. There we go. Oh. I almost forgot to put my mug in there. That would have been silly. Yeah, wouldn't be the first time. All right. Well, guys, I think it's time to go home. It's almost 5 o'clock, quarter to 5. Normally I don't leave till 5:30, but you know what? Kenny's here. I want to go driving, but it's dark outside. So, anyways, we're gonna go take him home. All right, let's do this. The good news is some of my things started working again. My marker lights, but one is still out. What do you do? But look at him. I fired him up, started him, let him warm up, smoked a little bit, and now he's all cleared up. I moved him from the parking spot because my alternator's not charging. So I hooked the battery charger up to him so that way, you know what, I could run off battery power, because that's the beauty thing of not having an electronic engine. Sorry about the wind, but damn, Kenny looks fine. Listen to that humming Cummins. Oh, that wind is awful. All right, guys, I'm using my cell phone for light. It's dark out now. Look at that, it's like 4:45 and it's already dark. This is kind of crazy. But you know what? Kenny's just doing fantastic. He's blowing heat. It's nice and warm in here. He's idling at 1100 RPM. And what else can I show you? Oil pressure is nice. Right about 30 PSI. 12 volts. Amp meter's a little low because it's not charging. Fast idle's working. And it's blowing warm air. So, you know what? It's already warmer in here than low and slow gets. So I'm gonna have to get low and slow back together. But yeah, Kenny's just purring like a kitten. Even though it's not a cat or a kitten. It's a Cummins. But anyways, guys, let's stuff her in gear and start heading for home. Yeah. Look at that. Love it. All my little indicators are working. Love this truck. Love it. Seatbelt on. There we go. And my glow-in-the-dark headlights. Start hammering and jammering. It's a little hard to be smooth right now, but I think it's a cross between having a too heavy of a sprung throttle pedal plus the bushings are a little bit tight, but she drives pretty good. Well guys, I gotta say, I couldn't be happier with the way Kenny performed today. You know what? He just worked good. My fender folded over a little bit. That's a little loose. I'll have to fix that, tighten her up. And you know what? The heater's working. It's nice and warm. And yeah, alternator's not working though. Backup lights are working. And the headlights, well, the headlights leave something to be desired. Especially with the alternator only, well, with the alternator not working and the battery only being at 12 volts. Those headlights, it's kind of like holding a Bic lighter in front of you. Kind of a little sketch, not gonna lie. Well, my marker lights started working. One did happen to go out, but what do you do? Sorry about the wind. It's windy and warm, and let me tell you, the roads, like the back roads, they're slippery. It's real slippery, so he did just fine. We'll take him inside, give him a once over, figure out why the Jake's not working. Hopefully I didn't bugger anything up, but yeah, Kenny's alive, boys. Kenny's alive. So anyways guys, thanks for watching. Till next time, catch you on the flip side.